Discover the reality of guys residing solo minus a romantic partner. Have you pondered the existence of a fellow opting for isolation willingly? Not due to circumstances, but from genuine preference in an environment pushing the idea that joy stems from coupling. In a culture gauging achievement via partnerships while dreading seclusion, a unique individual emerges. This person lacks isolation or deficiency. Rather, he welcomes isolation as a route to resilience, personal insight, and tranquility. Culture frequently perceives a guy dwelling independently sounds a companion as inevitably unhappy. Yet suppose that's inaccurate. Suppose isolation represents not vulnerability, but an advantage. Picture a fellow forging his route, drawing inner affirmation instead of seeking it externally. This individual proves tougher, more durable, and better aligned internally than the majority ever achieves. Across eras, numerous brilliant thinkers on life fighters, and innovators dedicated extended phases to isolation, not from obligation, but since they grasped a fact eluding many. Isolation offers a chance to command oneself, hone intellect, practice restraint, and evolve into someone independent of outside approval. Early philosophers like Marcus Aurelius Seneca and Epictetus held that fulfillment arose not from bonds, riches, or rank. Rather, they advocated personal command, governing thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. This forms our focus now. This avoids criticizing bonds or claiming pairing heirs. It concerns grasping the insight in self-reliance, locating joy, minus dependence on another. A fellow mastering prosperity amid isolation becomes genuinely liberated. Per these philosophers, liberty underpins a potent and significant existence. Thus, if you sensed oddness in selecting autonomy, if you questioned if solo living equates to deprivation, or if you desire grasping the profound resilience isolation provides, remain here. We prepare to reveal 7 impactful insights regarding the fellow journeying independently. Insight 1. He commands the skill of autonomy. A distinct power exists in realizing you depend solely on yourself for all matters. Majority lean on others for mood aid, economic security, or merely navigating daily routines. However, a guy residing independently lacks such convenience. He misses a companion assisting in mood regulation, meal preparation, or noting minor details. Nobody shares expenses or intervenes during difficulties. Initially it might seem daunting, but gradually it forges remarkable autonomy. Without preparing food, hunger follows. Neglecting tidiness leads to disorder. All responsibilities fall personally. Such awareness cultivates self-reliance. These philosophers instructed that a fellow ought to support himself. Seneca stated, "The one satisfied with minimal proves wealthiest," emphasizing satisfaction resides in autonomy, not extravagance. Such perspective transcends finances. It involves recognizing no requirement for ongoing company or outer affirmation to sense complete. A fellow capable of sustaining himself and overseeing his existence achieves genuine liberty. Insight 2. He welcomes isolation as a wellspring of power. Majority dread solitude. They link isolation to desolation. Yet the fellow, genuinely comprehending himself, avoids merely enduring isolation. He cherishes it. He requires no diversions, communal exchanges, or trivial bonds to occupy voids. Rather, he employs isolation for contemplation, introspection, and development. These philosophers, such as Marcus Aurelius, viewed isolation among the strongest instruments for personal revelation. Eliminating outer disturbances lets a fellow at last perceive his inner voice. He contemplates objectives' direction and flaws minus others' sway. A fellow cherishing isolation avoids fearing quietude. He pursues it for mental training, clarity, cultivation, and fortification thereby. Insight 3. He fosters mood regulation and internal serenity. A guy residing independently avoids impulsiveness. He prevents feelings from dominating. Existence hurls various obstacles, letdowns, irritations, reversals. Yet a fellow, having cherished isolation, navigates everything via composure and restraint. These philosophers held authentic power originates internally. Marcus Aurelius penned, "Control resides over your intellect, not external occurrences." When compelled to address feelings independently, minus a companion perpetually comforting or confirming, you cultivate immovable mood regulation. Independent living compels a fellow to face himself, confront feelings, and manage them, minus leaning on another. This inner restraint yields enhanced mood steadiness, permitting him to stay undisturbed by outer influences. Insight 4. He nurtures a profounder direction sense. Majority wander existence, pursuing outer delights and diversions. Bonds funds position assuming joy derives therefrom. Yet a guy residing independently, having cherished isolation, directs inward, he uncovers his authentic direction. Amid isolation, diversions vanish, nobody to dazzle. You remain alongside your ideas, wants, and aims. These philosophers held a fellow's supreme duty involves existing with direction and integrity, minus diversions. An isolated fellow possesses duration and area for introspection and intentional action toward aims. He arises daily with an objective not from others' anticipations, but from personal demands. This focused direction chase distinguishes commonplace from exceptional. Insight 5. Liberty ranks as uncommon. In current society, majority feel confined via loans, harmful bonds, disliked occupations, or draining habits. Yet the guy residing independently savors rarity liberty. These philosophers instructed that authentic riches involve not possessing much, but requiring minimal. Absent fiscal or mood duties from a bond, he commands his money fully. No compulsion to expend for impressing somebody, yet fiscal liberty forms merely portion. Authentic strength derives from intellectual liberty, capacity for choices grounded in reason, and individual advancement, not cultural norms or mood duties. Such liberty enables a fellow to venture hazards, alter professions, or relocate areas, minus sacrificing aspirations for a bond's benefit. He serves as his existence's only designer. Insight 6. He builds tougher, more significant bonds. Isolation's paradox. Greater ease a fellow gains with solitude, tougher his bonds grow. A fellow cherishing isolation avoids squandering moments on surface bonds. He selects caliber above volume. He prizes profundity, not casual exchanges. Through commanding isolation, a fellow avoids neediness. He pursues neither notice nor affirmation. He creates bonds founded on common principles and reciprocal advancement, and this renders him remarkably appealing. He lacks desperation for company. Rather, he appreciates others' presence, where his joy hinges on nobody else. Insight 7. He evolves into an authentic philosopher, undisturbed by outer situations. A guy residing independently acquires unbreakability. He avoids frenzy amid errors or collapse under strain. Others' feelings or views fail to sway him. He progresses existence via indestructible composure, restraint, and self-confidence. This captures Stoicism's core, embracing existence unchanged, minus grievance or dread. A fellow having commanded isolation recognizes joy, avoids deriving from outer origins. He satisfies himself undisturbed by dismissal or reversals. He liberates, and such liberty renders him authentically potent. The isolated fellow commands his fate entirely, wrapping up isolation's strength. Per Stoicism, what insights gained? The guy residing independently lacks frailty or disorientation. He exhibits resilience, autonomy, mood balance, and liberty. He opts caliber above volume in bonds and harmonizes internally. Independent living avoids implying a fellow's deficiency. It signals self-command. He evades governance by outer stresses or mood chaos. Reality states the strongest and triumphant fellows are those requiring no external worth confirmation. They elect sharing existence with others solely when value adds. These philosophers instructed liberty and joy commence via autonomy. For significant existence, command your intellect, feelings, and behaviors. Thus, if isolation ever seemed weakening, recall this: the fellow mastering solo prosperity proves invincible. If this resonated, hit like and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory for deeper Stoic wisdom.